Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. A garden is bounded piece of land which is situated either in the front or back side of our home. The art of planting trees, flowers, grass, shrubs, and vegetables by using fertilizers, small agricultural tools in a limited space of our home is called gardening. Gardening is a branch of horticulture. Gardening is also considered as a therapy that helps us our body in increasing the happy hormone level. Gardening helps us to grow the vegetables that are sufficient for our needs. Vegetables grow in our garden are more healthy, tasty, nutrients, and chemical free. We can easily grow vegetables according to our choice. Along with growing vegetables, we can also plant flowers of different varieties. Flowers of lively colors soothe our eyes and bring positive vibes in our home. In the other way, the gardening is a very help us to decorate and add a beauty of our home. In the hectic lifestyles, gardening is the best activity that keep us fit and healthy. Doing gardening regulates our glands for metabolisms. It also provides serum vitamin D to our bodies. Vitamin D is a good natural source in providing calcium for our bones to stay stronger and boosting our immune system. Gardening does not only lifts our physical performance but is also good for our mental health. Gardening acts as a tool in combating loneliness, which is common nowadays. Elderly people often complain about social issues, so engaging in the activity of gardening can sort out this problem of loneliness. Gardening is a physical activity that requires minimum weight of lift to building our body. Gardening can be a hobby for everyone. Where we work to fit and relax. It has a lot of to offer to us from up to physical and mental life. If we really want to work with nature, and in the other way, the gardening is a hopeful branch of horticulture that is also considered as a therapy. That gardening is no more just hobby to do. The gardening requires several activity from planting to planting in order to design. Thanks for watching for this channel.